Friends, in this video, I'll share with you top 5 reasons why we use ByBit as a major exchange and why we also recommend you to use, especially after that FTX crash and all of this stuff. For us, these questions become important when most of our clients, which are from Europe, Germany, United Kingdom, Binance futures were banned in those countries. And for many people, it will be so important to find another platform which reliable, good, and there are a lot of features that we can use. And here's top 5 reasons why we work with this exchange. First one, it ranked number 2 by volume on CoinMarketCap and other services. You can see that ByBit always number 2 in terms of volume, and also in the terms of contracts that you can trade 191 only on Binance more. But honestly, you don't need so much, because I use personally only top 10, top 20, because as I don't have enough deep liquidity. Reason number 2, ByBit does not have any KYC requirements. If you watch this video from Germany, Netherlands, United Kingdom, United States, Canada, Australia, and many more countries, you have a problem, because Binance futures, especially futures market, is banned in your country. But you would like to trade BTC, you see a lot of opportunity. I like to trade BTC. I think it's pure and it's the best market to trade, especially for beginners. That's why you simply use ByBit, reliable exchange based in Singapore. Second one, another reason, it is their financial reserves. They join that, they show their reserves, and most of their money in stablecoin USDC, and it two top major coins, BTC and Ethereum. That's really good. Their self-issued coin, ByBit, BitDAO, less than 10% from their token allocation. I think it's good, because if there would be more, it would be a dangerous signal. FTX crashed because they most of their money were in their self-issued coin. As another reason, it is platforms that we use for trading. If you follow me, you understand that we are order flow traders. We use DOM footprint, we use big volumes, big sizes, and you can connect that exchange to our platforms that we share to all people and recommend to use. And the last reason, it is statistics service. I educate people for more than, at this moment, it would be several years. I remember when I started, it was difficult, but at this moment, we create a lot of cool stuff that help our people grow. And statistic, I think it is essential. If you would say me what makes people profitable, it is when they analyze their trades and become better. And without good service statistic, it's nearly impossible. Even like this example, have a look on this trade that I took on Solana 2 days ago. I took beautiful short, but because at 23 o'clock I went to sleep and decided to close at break even, and after that it dropped, and I would made nearly 1,000 from this trade. And just example, if you have good trade, don't close it, stop loss or take profit. But without statistic service, it's impossible to understand this. That's why, what should you do right now? Below this video there would be a link. Highly recommend you to use our link for opening account, because first you will get special bonus on your account. It's money bonus, there would be details. Second, free PDF about our strategy, how to use it, how to make money, and access to our masterclass where I explained our trading strategies. That's why use link below. If you have any questions, right when I have time, I reply to you. Thank you for your time.